Alright, so normally I do a funny intro, normally I bottle flip, normally I do something to entertain you guys to keep watching through the video because normally my videos are quite lame. Today, it's not going to be lame though, okay? We got this. This is the HKS SSQV blow-off valve, okay? We are going to be putting this on the vent to atmosphere, like straight up, just blow-off valve on the Speed 3. And then to finish off the night, we got a tune finally. That's Crackle Tune, okay? So yeah, we're going to be installing this. This is going to take like 5 minutes to install, and then we're going to be loading up the tune. Some quick information for you guys. If you guys do want to do a blow-off valve for your MazdaSpeed 3, you will need to be tuned for it. These cars run a bypass valve stock, so that's what the ECU is tuned for, not for these. And overall, in general, it is better to run a bypass valve, but you guys know me, I like my car, I like loud things, okay? So we're going to be going ahead and installing this kit on the MazdaSpeed 3, super easy, and then we'll go out, have some fun, load the tune. We'll see how it sounds. Like I said, this is with the fins installed, no recirc at all. Let's go ahead, jump straight into it. But before, this is what we are looking at, the blow-off valve itself. Big boy, looking good. And then the gaskets and all the fittings are inside as well. So let's go. Go ahead and remove this. And then we are going to be deleting the actual like bypass hose here. With that removed, go ahead, 10mm bolts. You guys have it. Goodbye, bully boy. So I kind of got my intake apart here. Since this is a blow-off valve vent to atmosphere, we don't need the bypass anymore. Basically, that just leads it back into the intake to reuse air. That's how the whole system works. So we have this cap with the new system. Basically, we got to pull off this because it won't fit on the end of the hose. And obviously, it's kind of useless. So get a little bypass hose. Okay, so now that's off. We don't need that anymore. But we do have this rubber cap and this fitting as well. We're going to go ahead, slide this on. Thankfully it fits in a very nice spot, so I don't have to like reach or do anything more. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ring on, and that's on there really tight, so now we don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my intake back. Okay, so there's not really any clear instruction on how to do this whole part here. So basically we got the stock piece that would plug in right here with the clamp. What I'm going to do is really push that on there, except I'm going to take this clamp off. I'm going to use a zip tie. So I'm going to do that right here. So we're going to push that on there really good. And then this goes on here. I did cut this a bit. After attaching those together, I believe this installation is complete. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'm going to go get the tune. Okay, so this is the first drive that I'm going to be doing with everything set up. So that involves tune and the blow-off valve. Now, you guys are gonna get heisty about this, but I'm not on the correct gas for this tune. I should say, I guess I'm not on the quality. It's the same rating, but different brand. So we'll see how that goes. It feels so good to be on a tune finally. No way that's that loud. That is ridiculous. Okay, so that's the window open, and we're gonna do it with the window closed. Oh my god. Dude, oh, that's okay. That's really weird. That's a really weird sound. Wow. That's stupid. You can't tell me my car is gonna make that noise every time I shift. That's stupid loud. It's not even funny how loud that is. It just, oh yeah. Listen. Alright guys, and that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this with the MazdaSpeed 3. As for the blow-off valve, this outro is recorded 2 days in advance. The blow-off valve sounds great. It's awesome. Like I said, I'm gonna have a couple of videos coming up on it and the tune as well if you guys are interested in those. But other than that, super easy to install. And I mean, like, it's for now, I think it's fine for me. I'll probably do a 50-50, like a 50-50 like a turbo snort or something sooner or later, but for now, I'm just gonna stick with the blow-off valve. So anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.